Hello guys, welcome to this new video again. So previously I was not posting videos because I was not getting time because of school stuff, so I have to manage my school study as well. So that is why I was not getting time to create tutorial, but now I will. So finally we came here to build the REST API. So first of all, if you don't know what is the API, so you can simply think it as a mediator which helps us to transfer data from front end to back end or whatever. So you can simply think that API is a store where you can get there and you can retrieve some information, you can get data from there, you can get data, you can add data or whatever. So simply API means which helps us to retrieve data. Okay, so what is REST API? So REST API is nothing but just a type of API which uses various kinds of requests like get, post, patch, update, delete as well. So these are the kinds of requests that uses REST API. So there are many architecture like SOAP, REST, there are very much. So we are going to learn how to make a REST API. So first of all, I have initialized here the basic project and I have just initialized the npm here. So I will install the express module and mongoose module for now. Okay, so this is the, so we need to install it. So once it's installed, I'm going to resume the video. So as you can see, our package has been installed and I have created a here data.txt file which contains array of objects. So first of all, we are going to open the mongoose compass, or let's first write our basic server. So I will use an app.js. So first we will require the express module, then we will initialize the app. We are going to have some middlewares. So app.use express, so express dot url encoded extended to true, and for the data transfer we will use the express json, so which we will provide json responses instead of xml or any other type of data. So we have the server configurations, so we will listen on port, let's say 3000, and we will provide console.log response that server started listening on port 3000. So finally it's complete. Let's require the mongoose. So I will write here const mongoose is equal to require mongoose, and we will connect. So I will use here connect to the mongoose database. So I will write here mongoose.connect. We will use the mongodb protocol and we will use here REST API tutorial, and for not getting any duplicated warning we will use URL new URL parser to true, use ununified topology to true as well. So first of all we will have the home route, so I will use here. So actually I am going to also show you chaining routes. So first of all we will create here a routes directory, so we will have everything managed here, and I will create here index.js, and we will have here router which will be required from express module, and we can use it chaining routes. So as you can see, previously what we have to do is app.get for every routes, so we can use that app.get slash for the index, we have request response, and we can use the post request as well without any writing again and again app.get. So I can use post as well. I can give another routes here. So this is what it is called, chaining routes. So we will send him the response, welcome to the REST API built by programming program versus squad, let's say. And for your, in order to use this in other files, we have previously talked that we need to exports. So I will use a model dot exports is equal to router. So in order to integrate this router in our app.js file, we just need to, so I will just comment out here routes, and we need to use here, so app.use require, so in from the current directory in the routes folder we need to require the index.js. So let's use. So in order to test API, there is a very popular tool, that is uh, Postman, but I will use the register extension that you can find on both Firefox and Chrome. So as you can see, we are getting the error because we need to use here express instead of express single s. So as you can see, we got that message. So if I do anything, so actually we don't want to send. So if you are sending anything here request, so I will use here local host 3000. So it will send us response, but I want in the form of JSON. So we need to use here JSON. So I will just copy this all out, and we will provide a JSON response with a message that welcome to the programmer squad. So if you hit enter, we will see that we got a JSON response, and I have installed an extension called JSON formatter which formats JSON for us so that it looks nicer. So I will use a method get because we have specified there, and we will use the local host. So we need to provide here the protocol. So we need to use a http is to slash slash local host 3000. So in the home routes we will provide and we will send. So as you can see, we got that object, that is welcome to the REST API built by programmer squad. So this is how we can do. In the next lectures we will see how to add database, and we will use various protocols like get, delete, patch, put. So these are all the things. So I will see you in the next video.